Konnichiwa. Welcome back to Challenging Packet Tracer game. Today we will play more deeper and expertly at level 4. Fun with PT3.0 Gadget, Chapter 11. The clock is ticking. When you access to fourth stage of Packet Tracer game, you feel more exciting and amazing. Right now you are demanding prompt to prepare a inevitable excitement. Configure a single router network with multiple DHCP servers. Ignoring the sketch, don't worry, and being concerned, step by step you can do it, guy. Beckett Tracer game, level 4 begin, novice. Design a single router network with multiple DHCP server. Before begin, early plan proper IP address for both DHCP server. Look at the logical network diagram. There are two main domains in this network. Let's site group indicate DHCP server with a network 192.168.254.0/24. Meanwhile, right side group indicate DHCP server with a network 192.168.255.0/24. However, on the S1 server using static configuration. Beside that, all other device using dynamic configuration. The main key point of DHCP network are the IP address barrier or gateway. So straightforward, you know that port at R1 fast Ethernet 0/0 and fast Ethernet 1/0. Finally, you need to plan that both DHCP server being able to generate minimum 3 IP address. For example, a left side of group must be able to supply 3 different IP address for the 3 workstation 1, workstation 2, and workstation 3. Next, prepare to set up Cisco command line interface programming coding for R1, gateway at port fast Ethernet 0/0 and port fast Ethernet 1/0. Right now, configure DHCP server into a R1. Firstly, key in IP address into gateway fast Ethernet port 0/0. Begin R1 from enable following by config T, then interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and IP address 192.168.254.50 following by subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then no shut, and finally key in command N to end the session. Soon configure DHCP server into R1. Secondly, set up gateway fast Ethernet port 0/0. Firstly, pool name. Second, network. Third, default router. And finally, excluded address. Begin a screen at R1. Hashtag config terminal. Then IMT fast Ethernet 0/0 and following by IP DHCP pool fast Ethernet 0/0, network 192.168.254.0 following by 255.255.255.0 subnet mask, and default router 192.168.254.50 and IP DHCP exclude address 192.168.254.1, 192.168.254.251, and lastly end the section. Do the same thing for port Fast Ethernet 1/0. Time come to network testing stage. What we going to test? Database center. By right, all the device must be able to access to server of S1. Let's we check first the functioning of DHCP. We begin at workstation 1. Click on IP configuration and tick DHCP. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see the IP before appear 192.168.254.252. The first IP address get at workstation 1 from DHCP request successfully. Now check for workstation 2. Doing the same thing at desktop IP configuration. Click on DHCP. Wait for a few seconds. Now get the answer 192.168.254.253 from DHCP request successfully. And lastly, workstation 3, desktop IP configuration. Click on DHCP, wait few seconds. Now get the answer 192.168.254.254. DHCP request successfully. Now let me check DHCP in network 192.168.254/24. Begin at laptop 1. From the desktop, click on IP configuration. Click on DHCP. Wait few seconds. Now we get the answer 192.168.255.252. DHCP request successful. Then we check phone 1. Desktop, IP configuration and click on DHCP. Now we get the answer 192.168.255.254. DHCP request successful. And lastly, we check on tablet 1. Click on desktop, then IP configuration and click on DHCP. Wait for a few seconds. Now we can see that 192.168.254.254 DHCP request successfully. By the end of the day, definitely time for us to verify the network functioning at Packet Tracer Game app using command prompt. For example, workstation 3 pin to server of S1 use destination IP address 192.168.254.54. Let me start now to test at workstation 3. Click on workstation 3 and then click on command prompt. Key in the command pin following by server IP address 192.168.254.54. So now you can see the results successfully. So how your work done is you can do it, meaning this remarkable achievement will bring you forward to score higher level in future. The marvelous thing is that you already adapt with this game. Thanks for watching.